Alright, we are live. Hello, hello, hello. I fixed the chat. That's what I did. If you're wondering why the previous stream stopped so suddenly, it's because I had it on the wrong settings and you couldn't use the chat. But the chat's available now. And yeah. Gonna let out my dog real quick because it keeps complaining to me. Anyways, today we're back here in my project Asteroid Attack once again, and I fixed it. The game's no longer gonna crash for some reason. I'm not gonna I say that, and what happens? Okay, that's a fluke. Trust me. Trust me. It's just a fluke, guys. There's nothing. There's nothing. Okay, I know what the problem is. I know what it is. Watch this. We're gonna get out of full screen and it's gonna work. Scratch, you gotta fix this, bud. The game breaks if you use full screen for some reason. Yeah, but as you can see, game's no longer crashing. We'll even go to level 3, where the platform's a different elevation. Works just fine. Nothing wrong with it. Okay. But there are still bugs. For instance, if I go ahead and go to first level here, there's like a max distance that my player can go before the level starts moving and the player freezes in place, if you know what I mean. You probably don't. But basically, if I go far enough and then start accelerating towards this, I just go right over it. Like collision break, and I can just teleport over it. At least it doesn't crash the game, but hey. And I think I know how to fix it, but cannot confirm or deny that. Anyways, this is where the this is where the scrolling happens right here, and this is happening after. Okay. Okay. This should be an easy fix. All we gotta do is take this, go to true X, and smack it on the bottom there. That should theoretically fix it. So we're gonna go ahead and where'd the level go? The level gone. Oh yeah. Um, I believe this is the problem, so we're just gonna do that and see if that fixes it. Yep. Okay. Anyways, time to test. Go over here. Full acceleration. Didn't fix it. Cool. Cool. What could be the problem? Because what is our max acceleration? We go ahead and turn on acceleration here. Our max acceleration is 5.3333 repeating. You know. Okay. Now, is it only when we have max acceleration, or is it because of the scrolling? I like to imagine it's because of the scrolling that it breaks, but who knows? Yes, it's because of the scrolling. Okay. So the scrolling is what's throwing it off, because why? Let's see something. If I change this by 1, see what happens. Okay, now we can't exceed 59 at all. Okay, okay. Interesting. So what could be the problem then? Always gotta do the scrolling, I'm telling you. Something always breaks with scrolling. Oh, okay. Okay. If not, acceleration equals 0, and what is it called? Left, right. Equal blank value, I think. I think that's what we need. If not, acceleration equals 0, and left, right equal I mean, this is the only reason I could think it would break, but let's see if this changes anything. Nope, it doesn't. It does literally nothing. Okay. So, okay, I have an idea. Maybe we could do an extra check if x position is greater than 58. I'll go 56. 56. And less than 56. Then we're going to do another check, but I'm not sure what the check should be. What should the check be? Let's do that. See if that changes anything. It doesn't. Okay, because I didn't plug it in, stupid. Of course it's not gonna work. So, what happens is, when we do wall collide, goes to true x, blah blah blah. Set the, if I'm touching something, it will round the x. Then, it will... It'll check to see if it's still touching the wall, if we are... I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try that. See what that does. Probably nothing, but yeah, it didn't do anything, so we can keep that stuff there. This first part is here to make sure that the movement is smooth with the player. And when we touch the wall, it just rounds. Although I do wish the acceleration was a bit better. Go 3. We're changing the way this works. Slightly faster. It's just, I think there's a hard time changing directions. This is not important at all. Why am I doing this? Yeah, whatever. Even moving slow, I teleported up the wall. What could be wrong? What could be wrong? What if we change the level? Okay. If it's greater than, less than, let's make this 56 for each. This one's negative 56. We grab our X position. X position. Doing a ton of different stuff today. I think this will work. Go ahead and smack that in there. And then, level. Change level X by 1, I think. Yeah. 1. And then the second one's gonna be 2. Sorry, negative 1. I'm stupid. Ignore what I say. That did nothing. Why? Okay. We're just gonna try random things until it fixes it. Okay, weird stuff is happening because of that. Alright. Get rid of that then. Oh, we want to see what that does. Okay. It's just gonna... Yeah. That makes sense. And does it only happen whenever we get to that certain point on the screen? Okay. So, weird stuff is going on right now, bro. Like, the thought process here was that we do the scrolling after we do the wall check, and it won't change anything. But for some reason, it doesn't do what I thought it would do. Like, I thought maybe... Like... So, like, why does it only work sometimes? And it doesn't work other times? I don't understand. We got stuck in the wall. So, it's not the intended effect that I wanted. It was slightly more reliable than that, though. Just swapping out the positions there. Maybe I should set a variable and detect to see if I've been holding the right and left arrow keys for long enough. Like, I detect to see how long I've been holding the left or right arrow key, and I also detect to see if I touch the wall in a, like, short amount of time. You know what I mean? No? Okay. Clear snails. Let's see. We want... We're gonna try it out anyways. I don't care what you guys think. I'm joking. There's nobody watching right now as I'm streaming. Anyways, get we could make variable held tick for the sprite only. Change held tick by 1. Change held tick by 1. And set held tick to 0. And say change held tick by 1. And then if held tick gets higher than a certain amount, and we need another variable for if we touch the wall. we have to wait until we release okay, 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 okay. So just having one held tick is not going to work. We need two held right T, held left T. So change held right T. We also need to change all this to an if else. Oh my gosh, so much work, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta like switch out everything, man. Set hold right Z to 0. Held left. Alright. So that should tell us how long we've held a if we hold both. I guess it does it automatically. We don't need to worry about the other. There we go. Greater than, I don't know, let's say 40. Yeah, so if held right T is greater than is 40. Held right T. We need and we need a new variable. Touching wall for the sprite only. Set touching wall to 0. Or no, I should say. Set touching wall to yes. There we go. We put an and operator equal yes. We actually need to flip this, so make it a not condition. We've put that in there. Cool, cool. And now we gotta do the same for left. Left right T is greater than that. Held left T. Sorry, I'm pronouncing this stuff wrong. Touching walls, yes. we want to put this here. We also want to put touching wall. 2. No. Let me put that right there. Let's see if that fixes our problem. Why does it switch back? I get it. I get it. I get it. So, how do we fix that then? What's happening is, of course, it's not gonna like say you're no longer holding left or you're not holding right, but if I'm only pressing one arrow, it will still switch back to not touching the wall anymore. Okay, I know how to fix that. Add some new not operators. If not, key. Pressed. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. That should work. Let us try that. Okay. So theoretically, we fixed it. Bug squashed. That took way more effort than it really should have. But the bug is fixed. Now, we can go to the fun stuff. We can add objects to the level. So we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call this Object 1 because we don't know what it's going to be used for yet. Most likely going to be enemies later on, but hey. We're going to make another square here. He's going to be, he's not going to be as happy. He's going to be, perfect. And then we want to go to true. That's all we need to do. And in this first operator, we want yeah. Okay, that's cool. We want object 1 X for all sprites. Object 1 Y for all sprites. And then we want to put these 2 operators in here because we can. And then we could, and that should be really everything we need. If we just want to, when green flag clicked, set object X to, I don't know, 200. Let's make it 200. Set object 1 Y to what's the player Y? Hold up. We got too many variables showing right now. It is negative 300 and a half. Okay. So we want to put this at negative 350. It will be floating, but hey. Take a look. He's now right there. Oh, our little guy's over there. Yay. Ah, he's great. Now we can do one more thing here. If touching edge, then hide, else show. And then that's gonna do that. He's only gonna appear when he's on screen, and he's gonna disappear when he's off screen. Perfect. Da, 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 da. Why did it break? I don't know. I'm not really too worried about it, but hey. But yeah, here we are. Here's our little dude. Say hi, dude. He's not much of a talker. I'm gonna adjust the movement just a little bit. I'm gonna speed us up. We're gonna make this 8. Yeah, we'll try 8. Alright, let's try it. Yeah, it's much better. I can switch directions a lot faster as well. Look at him. He's over here like, grrr. Now, we need to add AI to him, but I think I'll leave that for the next stream. So, we got a lot done today. We managed to patch a potentially game-breaking bug. And we've added an enemy to the field. Of course, he doesn't move right now, but he will in the future. And that's all that matters. I don't know why it crashed there, but whatever. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Well, today's live stream. And it will later be a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.